Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with #DrGViswanathan's challenge question number 95. Combinations, again backtracking question, one of the backtracking questions. So easy question. Okay, two time complexities, 22 and 2. Mm, I really can't tell you why this is happening, but you know what? The beauty of Java is even if your logic is correct now, they generally give you two time complexity. One is very good and one is very bad. And the reason behind is what sort of inbuilt methods you're using, because in Java doing one thing have so many methods. For just example, converting from integer string to an integer, okay, you have literally 5 methods. Let's see, integer dot parseInt, just directly type conversion bracket and integer. Then you have more inbuilt method, for example in string dot value of, you have integer dot value of. And if you want to convert character to an string, sorry, character to an integer, then you can subtract it by -0 or something like that. So yeah, if your logic is correct and you exactly know what sort of method you want to use, okay, so it can be very good. Okay, so thank you for watching the videos.